This is RXB2015D. We already did a C. I didn't put the C version out because I was working on RAA. The source files are here. The package includes everything. The documents, I redid the documents again. The RXB docs have been totally revamped to take advantage of all the screens and everything. Even the menu screen and all the changes, including RAND and stuff like that. The REA docs have been changed. They show the title screen, and then they also show the secondary screen for set paths. So all the documents are included that show the changes. So let's go with RXB 2015, the new Classic 99 version. The menu system is like I showed the last one, though I am mystified as to why I had to include this, because the major requirement is one key press to get to exactly the same place. You got me. I don't know why it's so hard to press a key. You already did it to select Extended Basic, so even in normal Extended Basic, you had to push one key, or in RXB you had to push one key. REA, you still had to push one key, but you push additional key to get to editor mode, or it wrote disk 1 load. So either one of them, menu or not, would go to disk 1 load. I don't see why I had to include it. You got me. Anyways, then we have version 4, which is right here. Let's get on version 4, sorry. This is version 2015. Here's the change. All thing I did was add this. From 2000, the last version C, or I should say B, that I put out. This is D, and the only change that I've really made to it, well, a couple of changes, but this is the major one right here. See, when you go to the disk path up here, normally what you do is go disk, let's say disk 9 is mine, edit 1. That's how you change it. Now that's kind of a pain in the butt, and I didn't like that. So we have control keys, so let's go control 2, and now we can change it to 9. All it changes is the number of the device. So let's say that I go to 1, I go SCS4 edit 1. See, it just changes the device number. It doesn't care about what it is. It just changes that. So control 1 just changes the device number. Oh, I hit the enter. I didn't need to. It drops out because at the bottom it says any other key to main menu. Anyway, so you could change that. So 9 edit 1. So this is the feature that I have, and everything else stays the same. Directory, go to like 7. We can select a file like SRAND and hit enter. Then hit S, and you can see it's been changed. The 3 has been changed to the new file. The little dot at the end right here is that little dot right there is basically it's a attribute of the character sets. That is actually the list file for the size of the file, or size of the name, I should say. And it puts it there, but it doesn't affect the file. So when we go to editor assembler, hit enter, A for editor assembler, it goes to the file, it loads it, so it has no effect on it. So anyways, and if we wanted to load the file and edit it, there it goes. I hit 2 for edit, and there we go. So REA 2015 has a feature of being able to swap back and forth between editor and assembler instantly without having to type in the names over and over again. And the directory allows you to switch the name to another file by selecting the DB80 file. And so it changes the file. Now you still have to type in disk 1 for object or whatever you want for list, and the 6, which is your options for the assembler, whether you're using the GPL assembler or 90% of you people will be using the editor assembler. But anyways, that's 2015 changes. The control key is what I added, and that fixed the problem that I had. And I think consider this done now. It's much easier to deal with. most of the time people are going to be using disk 1, but there are people that use like disk 5 or disk 7, or if you're like me that had a RAM disk, let's say I want to change the assembler to disk A. And well, I would have had to done this. Well, now I don't have to do that anymore. What I can do now is go Control 1 and I can change the editor to A. And there it is. It's been changed to A. I keep hitting the enter key. So anyways, that's 2015. I will release the entire package, the documents and everything. We will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.